Ethereum is about to undergo some major upgrades. These changes will evolve the Ethereum blockchain, unlock tons of new applications, and bring it closer to large-scale adoption. Some people are calling this upgrade Ethereum 3.0, but that name isn't really accurate. I'll explain more about why later. In today's video, I'm going to go into detail about what these upgrades actually include in their timeline. Some of the updates were just announced last week, while others are planned to launch next year. If everything goes smoothly, this will significantly boost Ethereum's capabilities and open up more possibilities for future development. Whether you're an ETH holder, developer, or just someone who's interested in cryptocurrency and blockchain, you definitely need to check out this video. It's packed with useful info. Hey, crypto isn't just for programmers. I'm Gida, and on this channel, I'm here to take you from beginner to Web3 Pro. If this sounds like your kind of thing, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. To stay competitive in the Web3 space, leveling up your skills as a DApp developer is the way to go. Head over to our homepage, and I'll guide you through every step of the journey. If you're not really familiar with how Ethereum works or what the future plans are, this is for you. Let's quickly recap. Ethereum is currently the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap in the top smart contract platform. Since its launch in 2017, Ethereum has been constantly upgrading. The goal is to achieve the ultimate, ideal blockchain. With each upgrade, it's getting closer to becoming a fast, scalable network. Some predictions suggest that Ethereum's transaction speed might catch up to Visa in the next few years. We're gearing up for some major upgrades that will support large-scale applications. Next, I'll share the details on a few planned upgrades, some of which could roll out as early as 2025. First up is the upcoming Pactra upgrade. I'm really looking forward to this update because it unlocks a lot of features that Ethereum can't currently support. One major improvement is EIP-7702, which will add a ton of new functionality for Ethereum wallets like MetaMask. Here are some highlights. The bulk trading feature lets users complete multiple trades at once without having to click to confirm each one individually. This is a huge convenience for things like token trading. Plus, there's a smart wallet feature. Users can delegate some wallet operations to smart contracts, making it possible to set up things like recurring payments and automatic payments. For example, you can pay for your Netflix subscription or rent monthly with crypto without having to do it manually every time. Transaction fee sponsorship lets third parties pay the transaction fees for users. This feature opens the door for a lot of use cases, like allowing apps to cover users' gas fees, making on-chain activities free for them. Fusaka is set to upgrade in 2026, mainly aiming to boost blockchain performance, like cutting down block generation time from 13 seconds to 8 seconds. While these improvements won't unlock a ton of new features, they'll significantly enhance the network's technical stability and operational efficiency. The Beam chain upgrade announced last week is seen as the ultimate goal for Ethereum, and some are calling it Ethereum 3. Its main aim is to improve the consensus layer, making Ethereum faster and more secure while also reducing operating costs. Here are a few key changes. They've lowered the staking threshold, dropping the minimum amount for running a validator node from 32 ETH to 1 ETH, which really makes it way easier to get involved and boosts decentralization. Zero-knowledge proofs are coming in, and they'll be natively supported at the consensus layer. This tech allows you to verify the authenticity of information without revealing sensitive details. It can be used in scenarios like decentralized identity verification and more. The final version of the Beam chain upgrade is expected to be completed within the next 5 years. But before that, there will be a lot of small updates rolled out to improve Ethereum's performance and features. While we can't predict the short-term price fluctuations of Ethereum, looking at the long term, these upgrades are definitely good news for the price of Ethereum assets. Ethereum has been getting a lot of attention as a tech investment, especially in areas like decentralized finance, DeFi, and bringing real assets on-chain. For a structured learning path and developing Web3 projects on Solana and other EVM chains, make sure to follow our channel for more tech insights. If you'd like to join our bootcamp, head over to my Patreon. With a free subscription, you'll receive a Web3 project development learning blueprint, outlining the essential skills to quickly build your own dApp. See you there.